I'm always a little leery when I encounter a pricing equation because usually it's something weird like divide this by that and multiply times 100. That'll give you a price. I'm going, no, it won't. I said, the pricing equation we're going to do, trust me, it will keep you from losing money. Because we've already covered the three categories you have to protect. One is cover your cost of materials, one is cover your cost of labor, and one is cover your cost of overhead. And you include all those three things, you've covered every possible expense you can encounter. Now all we have to do is turn that information into a price. It's not the simplest of math, but it's not the most complex.